Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you two different ways in which you can share the screen of your iPhone to your TV. The first method is wireless, and if the first method is not working, then I will also show you the second wired method. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. If you want to mirror the screen from your iPhone to your TV wirelessly, then there are two things that you need to make sure of. First of all, your iPhone and your TV should be connected to the same internet or Wi-Fi. Secondly, your TV should support the AirPlay feature. If you are unsure whether your TV has AirPlay or not, you can simply Google your TV's model number and check whether it supports AirPlay or not. Most of the latest TVs support the AirPlay feature. Now, if your TV and your iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi, and if it has AirPlay on your iPhone, you're going to scroll down from the top right and you're going to have the screen mirroring option. If you do not see it, just long press on your control panel, click on add control, and you're going to search for screen mirroring and you're going to add the control. Once added, click on the screen mirroring option and you're going to see your external TV. Just click on it, and on your TV you're going to see the AirPlay code which you need to enter on your iPhone. Once added, you can see that now you can easily mirror or share your screen from your iPhone to your TV wirelessly, as you can see right here. Now if your TV does not have AirPlay, then let me show you the wired method as well. For the wired method, you need to check whether your iPhone has a lightning port or a Type-C port. Since I have the iPhone 11 Pro, it has the lightning port. If you have an iPhone which has a Type-C port, then you need to buy the different converter. For the lightning port, you're going to buy this lightning to HDMI converter, as you can see right here. If you have a Type-C port, then you're going to purchase this Type-C to HDMI converter, because we are going to use this converter to connect the HDMI cable from our TV to our iPhone. So one end is connected to my TV, the other end will be connected to this converter, and lastly it will be connected to my iPhone. Now I'm going to power on my iPhone and my TV. On the iPhone, you're going to see this little blue icon, if the camera can focus on it, meaning that it is sharing its screen with the external TV via the cable. So let me just focus the camera on the TV as well. On the TV, all you need to do is to select the correct HDMI source, and here you can see my iPhone screen is being mirrored on my TV via the wired method. So you can use this method if you don't have AirPlay feature on your TV. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like this video. If you have any comments, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.